Hello everyone. So we are back with the next session on time management, and in today's time management we will be discussing about organizing your workplace. But before I start with organizing your workplace, how organizing your workplace is related to time management, how managing yourself properly at workplace or organizing the things properly at workplace is an effective time management tool. What is the relation between both of them? When we are talking about organizing workplace, so organizing workplace basically means keeping things on proper place, having one planned schedule. Everything should have a proper place where you can just put them on that place, and whenever it is required you can easily find that thing, right? So how it is going to be linked with time management, or how it improves the performance of the employees, how it contributes to the effective collaboration on the projects, how it comes out to be an important tool of prioritizing the project and completing the project within the deadline. How? So organizing your workplace doesn't mean that organizing the things at proper place. It also includes that how well you have planned your work at workplace, how you are going to finish off your work at workplace, what plan you make for your day, how you begin your day, how you prioritize the work, how you finish up the work on time. So there are a lot of different things which we talk about when we are talking about organizing your workplace. So organizing the workplace doesn't only mean that you have to keep the things at proper places. It also means to organize your time, to value your time, to devote your time equally to all the things which are important part of your day. Many people just enter the workplace and they're not even aware, they are not even they don't even know that what they are going to do today, what work is to be started today. So for those people, they're not the organized people, so they'll start anything randomly. They can do anything randomly. They'll take any random work, they start working on that, and by the end of the day they realize that the most important task of the day is still left untouched. Why that thing happens? Because you are not organizing yourself at the workplace. Just think of a vacation you have planned where you do not know where you are going to stay, where you are going to go, how you are going to go. You're not ready, you are not organized anything, you're not managed anything. Do you think your vacation is going to be a great vacation when you're just reaching the airport and you are just checking whether tickets are available or not? Okay, to your luck, you got the tickets available. You have reached your destination. Let's say you have planned out your trip for Manali. You have reached Manali and it is the peak season going on in Manali. You just tried searching on for the hotel, finding out the hotel, and you got to know that there is no booking available in any of the best hotels. Then to your bad luck, you have to manage with just any hotel in which you get a room. Now you do not know which all places you are going to visit, and in the next day you are just trying to search on for the things. You are just finding out the things. Okay, these are the places which we are going to visit. How we are going to reach there, you do not know. You are just booking on for those things. Simply you have wasted your entire day, your energy in doing all those things. You were just there for 3 days. Out of 3 days, one day is already gone. Don't you think you have simply wasted your time going to that place and by not exploring anything? Same way, when it comes to organizing your work at the workplace, if you do not keep yourself organized, if you do not organize yourself properly, you do not get the best results. You You have to understand one thing, that workplace is a place where you have limited hours, and whatever work you get, if you are organizing that work properly, you won't have to spend additional hours in finishing of your work at workplace. Many people just complain that we have been working whole day, we have to work even on weekends to finish up the task. Why? You keep on complaining, but you never give any efforts on finding out why we couldn't finish up the task within those 5 days, 9 to 5 job, when our colleagues, our subordinates were able to finish up the work during that time. There might be something which they are doing and we are unable to do that. And that one thing is organizing themselves. If you organize your work properly, you know what is to be done when, and you can prioritize your task, you can finish off the task, and you will have your me time, enough me time with you. You won't have to work all the day, even after the office hours or on weekend, to finish up the task which has been given. That happens when you are unable to prioritize the task. You keep on engaging yourself, your entire energy, in doing something which can be postponed, which is not very important. So that is why we say that organize your workplace. Organizing your workplace is very important. What does it mean to be organized? Now, when we are talking about organizing your workplace, first we need to understand the word organized. What exactly this word organize means? So as per you, what do you understand by the word organize? It means easier to focus on tasks. When we are organized, when we plan a day ahead, when we plan out your routine, when we plan out the activities for the month, it becomes very easy for us to focus, to get the focus on the task which is to be done on high priority. You will know what is to be done, and you can put your full of your energy, your entire focus on performing, on doing that task. So it is going to make easier for you to focus on the task when you are going to be organized. Let's say today, tomorrow, when you enter when you enter into your office, you are on the desk, and in front of you, you just see, okay, these are the things which you have to do. So you can simply start focusing on that thing. When you're entering from your home, you're entering with a free mind, relaxed mind, you had your breakfast, and you are just refreshed. At that point of time, if you're not wasting your time in deciding the task which is to be done, you simply start on doing that task. Don't you think you can put your entire focus in finishing of the work? Obviously, yes, we are going to put our entire focus on finishing of that task, and that way it makes very easy for us to focus on the task. Second, what does it mean to be organizers? Improve employees' work performance. Let's say you are not a planned person, you do not know what is to be done, you're not organized. You're working into the organization where today your leader comes and gives you a task. Tomorrow he comes and tell you, okay, keep the task aside, do this task. Day after tomorrow, he again asks you to stop this work and concentrate on the work which he gave you on the first day. Do you think you are going to increase your efficiency? You are going to give your best effective results? You are going to be productive? No. Your leader is not organized. He himself don't know what he wants you to do. What is the goal for which he wants you to work? He's not clear about the task which he has to delegate it to you. And if this is happening, if leader is not organized, if he is not giving you work properly, it is not going to increase your performance. A leader who comes and tells you that, okay, these are the 3 tasks you have to do for this week, and you will be starting with this task 1, task 2, and then followed by task 3. This should be done by the end of this week. Don't you think you can put your entire focus on first task, finishing the first task and then moving to the second task? And this way, it is going to improve your efficiency. And by the end of the week, you are going to see that, yes, you have finished of your work. The entire work is done. How that thing happened? How that thing happened? That thing happened because you were having the organized system of working, that how we are going to work.